बदल बदलेगा, सुदामा को अगर जो आपसा घनश्याम मिल जाए। Now request the Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sitendra Pal sir, please come forward and give us the blessing and speak the precious word to honor.
Person sitting on my dais, Devi Ramji, Virendra ji, Pooja ma'am, Purnima Chhabra ma'am, faculty members of Ratan Group, news media, students and their parents. Good afternoon to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to talk to you all, and I am very thankful to Mr. S.V. Dagar for inviting me to speak to you on this orientation day of you. Actually, Mr. S.V. Dagar, as Mr. Chopra ma'am has told us that he has been very instrumental in developing, industry, education institutions, and he is working with the vision to really formulate and develop the down-to-earth society peoples to come up. This is why I even keep trying to anything. I would like to tell, this is the day for the student today. This is your orientation day, and in fact, if you see, when you are basically coming to this college, the first day, orientation day, you might be thinking in the morning, what would be the place where you are going to sit, what would be the faculty members, what could be your new classmates. You are going to meet so many new people today. So this has been a very special day for the people, in fact, when they are coming for the orientation day. And you have to set a goal. What is going to be your goal? How you are going to do about it? I recall my orientation day when 44 years ago I took admissions in engineering college, which is one of the government regional engineering college. I do not have this type of gatherings where we can talk to the people, where we have orientation programs set where people are talking, explaining about the college, who are your faculty members. On a stretch you have got introduction about entire faculty members, the programs, a very strong motivated speech by the principal director, Mrs. Purnima Chhabra. So you are actually one of the privileged people, and you should feel yourself privileged. And you start your career with a fresh of mind that you have to learn. You have to come here every day, learn something, set your goal. I recall, the life, you have to balance your life. Unless and until you have goal and you have, set principle in your life, you will not succeed. Today, I tell you, the people who have a lot of money. People will say that Ms. Chhabra ma'am was saying that everybody wants to make, money. But I would like to tell you here, one thing is very important. You have to balance everything. You have seen the people who are industrialists, who are wealthy people, like, Ambani, like Shahrukh Khan. Why they should work? They have got enough money. But what is there? Why they want to work? Why they want to, go every day to the office? Because they wanted to do something different which makes them happy. So what is that? You have to see that what makes you happy. Like Steve Jobs, he has set up a company, he has made iPhones. He has sold his company fixtures of billions of dollars of rupees, but still he wants to make a new iPhones. So there has to be always a creativity in your mind, saying that you want to do something different. And for that, taking into account that you have to set a goal in the life. They want to come to the office every day. Mr. Ambani is very, very hard working. Every day he comes to the office. Take the case like Mr. S.V. Dagar. He is very hard working. Every day he comes to the office. Always try to find out something new. What difference he can make to the society. What difference he can really make to the people. So you are here to set your goal very clear. Come with an idea, as Ms. Chhabra was saying that you have to prioritize, you have to make difference, you have to learn every minute. Today you people are so privileged, you are sitting with the internet. Now when we talk about 44 years ago, we don't have the internet. We are basically dependent on the books, talking to the teachers, learning from there. Every minute you have to use in learning. Think creative, always creative thinking, develop something different which can make difference to you and to the society. This is very, very important. So every day you have to come to the college. Come here, learn, apply that knowledge to make something different. This is very, very important. And when I say that you have to set the goals like you have to make a very successful life. When I say that money is not the only thing in life, you have to create a very balanced, successful life. When I say, don't go with the rat race. Balanced, successful life means you have to have peace of mind, you have to have wealth, you have to have good health. Then only you can succeed that. And today you should not go with like a rat race. No, people are just running rat race. Somebody was saying that everybody wants to become engineers, everybody wants to become MPA, IAS and all. Try to do something which is like, which you want to do. That is very, very important. Like rat race, like when I say that, look, I recall in the nursery class you might have heard games like, lemon race, not rat race. So what you do is that you have to put a lemon on the spoon and put it in the mouth and run. The objective is that you should reach to your goal faster and the lemon should not fall. So that is how the balancing comes into the pictures. And if you don't have balancing, like in the middle of the way, if your lemons falls or the marble falls, then you are out from the game. So what is important is that you have to balance a very successful life. Balancing is very important in life. And that, if you are not maintaining that, you are not in the race and you will not be successful in the life. How then you are going to do these things? What is very important that you have to have peace. You have to peaceful life. You have to have, faith on